Yo, good morning. How you guys doing? Oh, yeah. I'm back. I have returned. Hope you're having a good day. Oh, today we're going to make the Steam capsule. I was working on this today as well, before the stream, and we need to finish it today. Hopefully by the evening. If we manage to do that, then we can finally upload it to YouTube, make a trailer, and we can write emails to Steam, to YouTubers. That's the most important thing. How you guys doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do today.
Hello, Cakez.
I really want to finish this capsule. We don't have time. And what I'm doing right now is creating a highlight. When I press F9, it's gonna generate these blurred edges to make it look like it's highlighted from the sky. That's what we're gonna do. And we're still using this main menu thing here
don't market it.
as a reference.
The money will come to you.
And by the way, since we're using it as a reference, we can figure out, okay, what is he actually doing? He's putting it here on the other side and then on the top and in a shadow. So he's not actually putting it here, but he's putting it here. Interesting. Wonder why. Like here. Do you guys understand why he puts it here? Like this? And then F9? Obviously that's a bit much. Steam title is a little weird. We're drawing a capsule with C++. No, I just say that I'm making a game in C++ all the
Countdown
time.
to next bad take.
It's title.
30 seconds.
It's advertising about what I do, like in general. That's what it is, bro. Because it looks good. Yeah, apparently it does look good when you put it there. You're right, sir. And then he also puts stuff like here at the top, which I have been doing already. Why you're not advertising reacts? Why the hell am I so oversaturated? Because it's orange, man. What the hell? What the hell is going on? The meta. Like, this camera is dog shit. Terrible. Yeah, Cakez turned into a tangy. Yeah. Hello chat, hello there my man, good morning. Yeah, today I'm going to be drawing a lot, so grab your coffees, grab your teas, my brothers, and relax, because it's gonna be a relaxing stream. We're just gonna draw. And I'll continuously draw without stopping until we are done. It won't have to be perfect. And I'm going to continuously take a look at this image to figure out, okay, what could I do? You know, how did this guy add shading to the image for me? And we're gonna trace it. We're gonna do the same. And hopefully it's gonna work. Drawing, yeah, if you don't like drawing, then see you tomorrow or something. Because that's what I'm gonna do. Don't have any more time, you guys. This is the important part. We want to advertise our game, but we can only really do that when we have a proper Steam capsule, do we? So in order to do that, or to get that Steam capsule, we need to have one, right? And since the guy on YouTube, on Fiverr can't draw it for us, we have to draw ourselves. But I've done a lot of work already. Shouldn't take too long. I'm hoping to finish it today. Puts it here too. No Fiverr guy available? Now, I gotta be honest, I don't think there'll be a Fiverr guy available, no. To be completely honest with you.
I love
I doubt
Cakez,
it.
dirty dog fucker, no soap, no skill.
So
no
I have
original
decided
ideas,
that
bloom, steal a bastard, no clue, no
I'll
knowledge,
just
no games,
do it myself.
release, no good
It'll be
text,
faster.
No code, dumb idiot, react, Andy, fuck off, stop streaming, okay, champ.
And the cool
I
thing
don't
is,
like self-promoting stuff.
if I
so
learn this
if I
stuff
receive downvotes
now,
or this gets removed,
it can be
I
very
can
helpful in the
totally
future,
understand
you
that.
know, to
However,
draw
it's
illustrations.
really important for me to
I can
share
make my
this
own
because
Steam
I'm
capsules in
tired
the
of these
future, maybe.
stupidly
You know, if I'm
overhyped
getting really good at
trailers
this.
that are designed
'Cause you
to
learn a
sell
lot when you're
non-existent
doing that.
products and fool you into buying their crap. This has
Hello,
to
collector
stop,
of stuff,
and the
good
best
morning.
way to do that is to spread awareness.
Why are the eyes of the wizard so weird? Because I have to finish them. I just left them the way they are because I found it funny. Looked really cool. Don't you think, Mr. Super Cool? By the way, Super Cool, since I now have some brain power to talk, how's your game coming along, man? You said that you might not have the time because it's content, right? You need to work on a lot of content, just making the game. F9. Yeah, looking decent. Now this one here looks bad, but otherwise, I like it. Slowly but surely. So you might not be able to release next year because of that. Yeah. These are highlights from the Blue Sky, right? Would it make sense to have them in the shadows? See, like Snoggy Ball, yeah. Why have them in the shadows though? I want to understand that because the guy on Fiverr drew them in the shadows too. Why is that? Why do you draw them in the shadows? Is that like some weird physics thing? Is that where the teacher told me that I have no brain power for physics and I'm an idiot? Like, what's happening there? Oh, okay. I was hoping Collector of Stuff would say that so I could ban him. I'll see you in 10 minutes. I was expecting that. You're so predictable,
Fuck
bro.
Cakez.
Idiot. Sure, man. I scammed the Fiverr guy. Bye-bye, idiot. What a dummy.
Good day.
Retard.
アンドグッドデーチャと
Anyways, keep your truths to yourself and do not help them.
What software is this? It looks different than Photoshop. It's called Sprite, bro. You think I'm gonna answer you just because you paste the message a million times? Absolutely not. Figure it out yourself, man. No.
Thank you Ify66 for 5,000 bits.
Just kidding.
Why do you put it in a shadow? What's that? Looks as too many secondary outlights. It looks as right now, yes. Just wait. You think it'll look as, but you're actually wrong. Just wait. It will actually look good. When it's all done and, you know, finished, it'll actually look good. I thought so too, you know. But I was wrong. Where's the blue light coming from? The sky. Thano. The blue light is the sky. And you know, the only reason why I'm doing this, by the way, is because the Fiverr guy did it too. And he's really experienced and really good. This is from the Fiverr guy, and you can see here that he has blue tint. Like, this entire thing is a tinted blue. The skylight is white. Listen, man, do not question the Fiverr guy, okay? You can question me, but not the Fiverr guy, okay, guys? So, shh. Just wait. Okay, maybe I should call the Fiverr guy so you guys can give him your complaints. Huh? How about that? Huh? Guys, the Fiverr guy is never wrong. Don't you understand? The people that are wrong is chat. Fiverr guy is right. Which is why we follow what he's doing. Okay? Fiverr guy, yeah. Aha, looking nice, like it. Excuse me. Shit. Ah, I have it here. Man, this is easy. These ones here. Boom. Blop. Very nice. And then we just put some shadow here. Blue shadow. So someone in chat able to tell me why you put blue light in the shadows? Because it's not the first time I saw this, by the way. Why do you do that? You're gonna make it overlighted soon? It could be overlighted, yes, but that's when we'll do another trick. I'll show you. We will deal with opacity and fix some stuff. Just wait. It'll be fine. Could be lights going through the planks from behind. Cool, but where is the blue light coming from? Is it night, a full moon? No, but he added the blue light, and I like it, so I'm gonna add it too. So that's why we do this. And we're almost done with the blue light. And then we'll see what that looks like. I wonder how he did that, man. It looks so good. Let's see, when I press F9. There's definitely some stuff a little bit too much here. I wonder how he did that. It looks like a blurred brush that he used or something. That far fence should have less details, yeah. What I'll do then is the following, watch. When I want the fence to have less details, I'll just grab it like this. By the nuts. Like this, right here. And then I'll do F9. And why is that so small? I'll do that. Or even that. Or maybe even that. So that? And then I can delete some of the pixels. So I'm telling you guys, it'll look okay. Won't look perfect yet. That's part of the process. Okay, that's the idea behind this. And it'll take some time, but first I have to place some pixels. Why is the archer part of the mountain? The archer you see here? He's standing on something. Said that... I think I said that already. The blue is the skylight, I think. I don't know. Ask the Fiverr guy, actually. He drew that. Okay. So I'm just following what he did. Because he doesn't have time to make the capsule for me. I need to do it myself. Which means we gotta figure it all out ourselves. Okay. I would have loved for him to do it, but you can't always have everything in life be handed to you in a spoon. So, you just gotta man up and do shit. There you go. Cool. Oh yeah, here. So use a fork. Well, what if you eat in a soup then, though? Huh? How you gonna eat a soup with a fork? It's just gonna fly through, brother. Soup on a knife. I think he had some sort of brush that made this happen, that made this a lot easier to do. See, I would love to talk to the guy and ask him how he did it, so that I could learn from him, you know, teach me, senpai. Because that, like, what he did was some really cool stuff. Alright, so we have done this now. I have added in highlights here, and I think I wanted to add some highlights on these leaves here too, so that they stick out a little bit more. And I just noticed the grass gradient is a bit off, which is annoying. What is this? Layer 4? What is layer 4? Oh, layer 4 is okay. I guess tree gradient. TD Fest? TD Fest is next year. Might try that software out. Looks really easy to use compared to GIMP. GIMP, bro. GIMP is the worst. Shut up! It's fine. Okay, we have a problem here, guys. Oh, this is annoying. How did I do that again? I think what I did was I got rid of the mage. What is layer 6? Or the highlight mage, yeah. Okay, so get rid of that. Get rid of the other highlights. I think what I did in order to generate the gradient, grass gradient, was to take the background, press W, select stuff with W together, then use the lasso tool to add additional parts. This stuff here, this stuff, this two, this two. Really is annoying. It is that annoying, yeah. Now you might be wondering, what is this idiot doing here? I thought so myself. I really did. So, and then the grass road gradient, where was the grass gradient? Here it is. Oh, it actually was selected more because it had we had trees there too. So we need to select stuff from the trees too. Which I think now we can use non-continuous. Yeah. And then we do deselect. It is really that complicated, yeah, guys. It really is that stupid. Don't question it though. Oh no! It replaced it. You're supposed to add. No! What you doing? W, Shift, add. Q, deselect the trees. There we go. And then I guess we'll add that in though. Up top. Did I? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Athano. I really appreciate it. Yeah, now that we have this, we can go. It's really annoying. But hey, this grass gradient, you see that? We need to disable the background, the skyline. And I think it was grass gradient. Where's that? Grass gradient. It is, if I make it fully opaque, then it was this. And I think this. And then we just have to make a new... No! Background. We need to add... Oh shit. W. Add that in.
Directory to that.
Background.
Direction to this.
Add
And that worked.
Shit. Continuous. That. That. Stop. That. Suppose we can add the row too. Nah. It's fine. Let's not add the row for now.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what a day, man. What a fucking day.
And trees to the left. Add that part
Oh
into.
my god.
Good.
I just can't anymore.
No.
Oh my god, and the me and engines, man.
Good.
The fucking UI rotates
Trees
even
left,
here.
background.
What?
Shift G. And then first and foremost
How can
we
this
need to
application be
erase
so dumb?
the grass gradient.
No, I don't want to deal with this right now.
Now we have an issue though.
No, this is fucking
There is stuff that I'm not erasing right now. How do I get the selection? Is there a way to store the selection in a sprite? Select. Modify. Deselect, inverse, all. Save to MSK file. What does that mean? Default mask? Okay. I'm gonna adjust this. Select, load. Oh, cool. Nice. Awesome. That's exactly what I need. That's cool. Okay, and then we can do a Shift G. And we start the gradient. I hate that, but that's just the way it is, I guess. We start the gradient and we make it look like that. Then 168, I think it was. And then we let the trees to the left on there and the background. There we go. I think it was 168, right? Apparently it's missing some stuff here. But yeah. So why did I do this? It creates a smooth transition from the back to further back to make it seem like it gets darker. That's why we need this gradient. You were so young when you started Gamedev? Aha, that is true. And now there seems to be I wonder if that works. No, we need to make it fully opaque. Draw. Eh? Grass gradient. Why is it drawing this now? Eh? B. Guys, why is it drawing that? Color. I don't understand. Eh? What the hell? Oh, I see. It already shows the color that it's gonna draw. I see. I get it. Yeah, we just gotta fill in this color here. And then it'll look fine. Trace left. It is a bit tedious. Here's one more. Good. It's not perfect either. However, good enough. And yes, it is really that annoying. It really is that annoying. Good stuff. Okay, very happy about almost. Almost happy. There we go. Nice. Cool. And then when the mage is in front, we don't really see that so much, right? It's more or less hidden. I'm not gonna read your question because it's gonna be a toxic question. Hello Unas, good morning. And I'll just draw today, guys. It'll just be a drawing stream today. Don't care. I don't care about your dumb questions. It's always the same with you guys. Get more original, you guys. You're boring. Mountains. Here it is. And then put the grass on the right side away. What the hell? Oh, I see.
Hello.
Hello, lol boy. 206. It was 206, 206, 206, 206, 206, 206, 206. Actually, that's bad. That should be on the background. Good. Nice. And then grass on the right. Alright, it's gonna look better now. Oh, actually, I see. These were the stones. I should probably, from the background, let's go grass on the right side again. Let's get this stuff from the background and put it in front. Okay. Oh, it's probably... Is it from the mountains? No. Where's that coming from? It's not the background. Oh, wait. Is it the wooden fence? Oh, it is. Okay, wooden fence. Let's get these two here. These things. Actually, I think we can do this. And then we will put it on the grass. The right side. Maybe you should open a Fiverr to do pixel art cakes. I did try that in the past. And I did have people message me about stuff. I just did not earn enough money to warrant doing that. To keep going. You need, like, I should have charged more, I guess. It's also my fault now that I know a bit more about the prices that you can charge there. For sure. Should have definitely charged more. But back then, my wife had a really good argument about why I should stop. She basically told me if I'm gonna spend an hour to earn $5 on Fiverr, she's gonna give me $5, so I spent the time with her. Because it's not worth $5, essentially. And she was right. It wasn't worth. Totally not. And so I stopped. I definitely do like art. And if it pays much better, let's say I do Fiverr again. If it pays much better, I could try it again. But for now, I think I'm good. Because I also have to make my game, and it'll just take too long. Otherwise. There we go, I like it. And then we'll add some more shading. Or we take that, we do this, and then we'll draw like a somewhat light shadow here on these. This is gotta be mask. You know, I think anyone would do that too, to be honest. I don't like that. That looks bad. Maybe just 1 pixel here, but yeah, that looks bad too. So yeah. Okay, good. Now we have some stones there. And we can continue. Where was I? We have finished this. It does still look a bit odd, to be honest, but I kind of want to highlight this. So, and this is, by the way, guys, this is where we're going to look at some AI art on Discord. You guys generated some AI pieces yesterday that looked really good. For example, this one right here, I like that. And when you zoom in here, you could see that it generates quite dark grass pieces here. So I kind of want to add or make some of these darker, but not on there, on the background, right? Because that's the background. Just keep the stuff that I had, but make some stuff darker, just so that it looks. It creates more of a separation, right? So you can hopefully now, not now, but in a second, you'll be able to tell these two apart. There we go. Okay, not much. Maybe we can add like a little bit of stuff here. Wow. There we go. Okay, like it. Does not have to be perfect, but it does create a little bit of a separation. You guys see that? Cakez, look at the art channel. ByteUL had made some good ones. Yeah, this one is not bad. Definitely. Can't use that, but this one is not bad, definitely. Still gonna take what I have here. Okay. Morning Cakes. Hey, null exception. Good morning. How you doing, man? Look, I did the same gradient with the road. If we zoom out and you just look at the road, I think it looks really good. It creates this 3D effect. And so I am hoping that together with the...
Hello.
Looks like AI made it. This one here. Yeah, this is AI made, yeah. And so that's why I'm gonna draw this stuff myself to see if I cannot create one that's kind of good. Yeah. I have fixed the mage, but we need to work on the eyes now. So what do you guys think? How should the mage's eyes look? I deliberately did not add the eyes yet because I wanted to talk to you guys about it. Let's look at the healer here. On the right, that's the healer. She has these types of eyes, and the defender is here. What should the mage have in terms of eyes? Guys, what do you think? And let's add the skyline back in because it makes the game just look so much better, prettier. Oh yeah, and then, oh shit, the mountains. How much was the mountains? Was it 190? 206? And then the gradient for the mountains? Nice. Okay, anything else I'm missing? Let's delete that, don't need that anymore. Don't need that dog shit grass. What about grass too? Okay, that's empty. Oh, I don't see it. Some stuff here. Grass right side is important. Delete that. What is layer 5?
Fuck pirate software.
Oh, this is the mage hand. Mage hand. Why is the archer head coming? It's a teapot. The current Steam capsule is made by Haskars and me, so we do have permission because I have access to Haskars. I can message him. But yeah, and then the highlight for the mage. This and then the mage. Let's call it sky. By the way, the sky is gonna look like this. Either this or 3x3. I think it's gonna be 3x3. But yeah. You're not able to talk bad about pirate software. And you're gone again. Cakes, are you considering using AI in game? Yes, for the clowns, of course. I don't give a fuck what people think about AI, especially artists. I couldn't care less. I'm gonna add this in. But I need more. Thank you, Baijuel. Let me save that. Let's see, assets. Yeah, assets. Let's say AI clown. Number 1. If you have more, like I want this guy. I want this guy or this guy standing. I want this guy with a bow. And I want this guy. Can you do that? Then use AI for the capsule. No, the capsule is gonna look bad with AI. Your fans are gonna troll you? I don't give a fuck, another exception. You know why? I just made a video about AI, and PUBG, one of the biggest games, has like 400,000 players, and no one gives a fuck about the AI used there. I don't care, man. I don't care if someone makes me an AI art piece. Like, for example, this clown here. I'm gonna fix up the sprite so it looks consistent, like consistent pixel art, and use it. Don't care, man. Like, people create, especially artists, they create this illusion of AI bad, when in actuality it's a tool. It's not another Cakes, it's a tool. So it is the same as saying back then when the computer started to rise and people started drawing on the computer instead of on the paper. It's almost exactly the same. It's a tool. You shouldn't use it for everything, but you should not be averse to it either. Okay, so let's look at the thing. Like, what is the highlight here? It looks so good, man. Look at this. How did he do that? I think it was some orange. What if I do that? By the way, the sky and shadows and highlights. This should be at the very top. Shit. If I put it at the very top, then that doesn't work. Okay, fine. Then we'll put it here. I guess I'll just make a new layer, Defender highlights. And then we'll do Defender and this, and create a group. Does Control G work? Does not work. Control Shift G? No. Shift G? No. Okay, so convert to new. Alt Shift N? Defender. Didn't you already have clown art on the later capsule on the moon? Yeah, no, not clown art, but my face was there. Hello, AIM. Good morning. No, really, guys. Hey? Defender copy? What the hell? This is supposed to be in here too. Yeah. Okay, B. Let's test. Kind of want to test if this works. This guy is really good. Really, really good. He was able to do all of this stuff, by the way, in like an hour. And I've been working on this shitty piece for like 10 hours. I kid you not. I wake up at 4 AM just to work on this. It's crazy how fast a good artist is. Don't you guys agree? He did not use AI. I can tell. I'm experienced with pixel art. It's not using AI. He did not use AI. AI would be much slower with this. Because AI needs to understand. The artist knows. He just knows, my brother. Okay, so I've just created some highlight. How does that look? Oh my god, doesn't look that bad. Oh wow. Oh wow. Damn. I gotta say. Hey. Alright, let's make more. I want white highlight here. Can you please just show me this in? Okay. Yeah. Hi, he has highlight here. He has the blue shadow thing going on here. So we're gonna add that in this case scenario. This side. Yeah, guys, the reason why I'm doing this now, by the way, usually I don't like doing this on stream. And the reason for that is simple. Chat just doesn't behave when I do art, or in general when I do some changes like this. It's really annoying, actually. But I need to do it because I need to be done with this soon. I wonder why. What? What did I do wrong? I'm drawing pixel art. But because of my take from AI, are you that immature that you cannot accept that someone else has a different opinion than you? Lol boy. And you're justifying the fact to be an asshole to someone else just because they have a different opinion than you? I know that you are not. Who hurt you today? No one hurt me today. No, I'm good. I'm just spitting some facts here. That's what I'm doing. You can be assholes to notices, right? What is notices? What does that mean? What is that word? Maybe change to art category. Maybe some new people see this if the whole stream. Yeah, maybe. I was thinking about that too. Maybe I will. Car mechanic hurt him. No, it's fine. It sucks, to be honest, but it's fine. Cake's delusion is getting worse. What delusion are you talking about, bro? Okay. Hello, Tapia. How you doing, man? Good morning. Hope you're having a good day, bro. No, guys, I'm not hurt. I'm just saying how it is. That's all. And I really do hope that this turns out well. Because this is kind of like my last chance, right? I don't have much more time left. Rico is gone too. Because he's lying. Goodbye, sir. No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. That's not at all. It's fine. I'm good. There we go. Truth ban? No, I'm not mad. Fuck Cakes. Hello there, Pi-Fi. How's your game coming along, by the way? Okay, I think this is good enough. For now. I mean, I feel like the guy here looks better. Or am I stupid? I feel like the shield looks a bit better. What if I do left? I don't think that works. Top? Oh, that looks good here. I could do top for these and then delete some of the pixels. What do you guys think? I think that works. Yeah, we'll do top for that. Fix that. Delete the nose trust? Okay, I'll try. Fine, I'll get rid of it. Oh, by the way, I added in... Guys, color-wise, right? What do you like more? This color here? On the mage? You didn't even notice. Or this color here on the defender?
Am I so out of touch?
Ooh, Shrubtor!
No.
Shrubter just subscribed. Only 1 month. Then it's 3 fucking years.
Ah,
buddy
man.
kiss.
You know, this is crazy, bro. You joined me when I, like, somewhat started streaming. And the crazy part is... You have been there every day back then. And you're still subscribing to this day. And you found a job back then. I still remember how happy you were. And you still are in your job. Consistent, bro. Insanely consistent. I appreciate the big support, man. Man. That is insane, bro. 35 months. I don't see skin colors. No, this color here. Will there be a black Tangy? Guys, just answer my question. I guess I can't, so there's no point. Okay. I mean, let's see. What if I try the other color again on the mage? And then we do that. I guess that works too. I guess it works too. Yeah. Mage hand. Because it is more orangey, I guess. Let's keep it like that for now. Fifth hero could be Rotten Tangy. Okay, so the defender is done. He doesn't have a shadow though. Let's go and work on the shadow for the defender. How do we do that? Definitely want to make a new layer. Then put that below the defender and give him a shadow. I'm gonna blatantly copy what he did. He made a really cool psych here and then just some dark lines. And I think we can just use this, make it a little... Or let's draw this first. Let's draw the shape first. Right, B. Why is there a happy face in one... Yeah, we need... We need to make the mage... we need to give the mage proper eyes. Yes, Farmer, he told me I can use it as a reference. And I thanked him for it. Very nice of him. Very, very nice person. Like, see, this is the type of people. He's the type of person that is going to go far in life. Because he's not... This guy is... So you can... This could be like two ways, right? There's two ways that an artist could react and say stuff. Either they could say, don't use my work. They don't even have to give you a sketch like this without you paying them at all. But this person not only provided me a sketch, but was also so nice to be completely open with the fact that he didn't have enough time to do it in 1 week, to the end of the week. And he even gave me the chance to use his work as a... what's this called? As what's this called? Nah. What is that called, man? Reference. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah. And so he's not afraid that someone else will come along and maybe get better using his work. Because that's essentially what can happen. So he's gonna go very far in life, I'm pretty sure. It's a Giga Chat. Really cool stuff. Double click this, please. Shall we fade it out? Shall we fade it out or not? We can do copy. No, you're not supposed to copy the entire layer, you dumbass. You're supposed to fade it out like that and then paste on top of that. Then fade it out again. No. I think that's fine. Yeah, I like it. Cool. Nice. I think for now the defender is fine. It's good. Why not ask him to send the files he's worked on at that point? No point. I mean, I'm already like almost done with basically doing what he did in my own way. I really needed help with the grass. I was not able to make proper grass. It always looked bad. And then he came along, drew the grass in like 10 seconds, and I was like, aha! And so now what we're doing is, I can use this as a learning experience for myself too. Like, chat, be honest, okay? It's not done yet. But, wait. It's not perfect, right? But, on a scale of 1 to 10, using this as a capsule art, it's not done yet, but on, like, let's say I have more, you know, more highlights like this, like fix up the eyes, you know, fix up this part right here. Use your imagination, right, from SpongeBob. On a scale of 1 to 10, I can't zoom out because it's gonna go blurry. Like, it's really bad in A-Sprite. What I need to do is... What's a capsule art? Oh, you don't know what capsule art is? I'll show you. This image right here. This image. The healer should be further down. 8 out of 10, yeah? 10 for the left grass, 1 for everything else.
Did you animate the water?
Hello, Yvonne. How you doing?
Are you animating the water? Will you animate
There's no
the
store
water?
page for that.
When
It's
will
this
you animate the water?
picture right here. And it's gonna be the same picture in the main menu. So I'm gonna reuse it for the main menu, which is gonna replace the current version. This version, right? Load. 10 for AI, 2 for you. 10 for AI? Which piece? It's gonna replace this screen with this screen. I think that's an upgrade. And I will remove the feedback flag and just keep the wishlist flag for the demo in the trees. You like the older one though? No, I don't like the older one. I think it's too clamped. I think the new one will be better. Looks good. The only thing is the logo feels out of perspective. Yeah? As if it's tilted down. It's just my observation. It's actually... yeah, I know what you mean. The perspective is somewhat up from the image, but the logo is down. You're actually right. Yeah, I can't change that, but you're right, yeah. I don't know, it might look better. Because you're bored of the old one. The old one doesn't have proper pixel art. It's very clamped and the skeletons move and make it look better. But I guarantee you, when this is in the game, this will look better than this. I'm 100% sure. Like, this has more moving parts. Remake the logo? No, I can't remake the logo. Guys, I'm not remaking the logo. Rotate by 180 degrees? True, man. I'm just worried the buttons won't fit, Cakes. If the buttons don't fit, we'll see what I do then. I know what you mean. Because the guy is in front here, right? I might just do normal text then. I really like the skeletons. Yeah, we're gonna redo the skeletons too. But yeah, this is what I want to do. And I've gotten really far already. We now need to work on the healer and then give her same shadow as well as the mage. And the mage should also... Let's see, mage. This is all the mage. The mage. Why is it only... Why is it not... I select 3 things and it only selects 2. So this is the Steam header dimension. What about the main capsule? So what we're gonna do for the main capsule, right? If I need to reorder things for the main capsule. The good thing is I can move most things.
Collector's alt account just joined.
Because they are so
Glad
disconnected.
to be back to my favorite Vulcan and Godot stream.
And so
Please keep
we'll
your
do that
functions
probably
shorter
tomorrow.
Than 5 lines.
But we will, I will do the same. I will create the background, each tangy individually, the effects individually, and then move them accordingly, and the logo independently as well, of course. Cakes, what if you use both menu screens, like a lightning could flash and it suddenly becomes dark? The blue light might be a bit too much right now. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Woo! I can't F9 this yet. Yet always? It only puts 2 in there. So weird. How do you fold this? There we go. Mage. Something's wrong with the feedback flag animation. It's a small thing, of course, never mind. Hey, Hit House. Hitman. How you doing, man? It's not hit house. Okay, wait. How much was the Defender's Shadow? 154. Alright. Mage. Shadow. Eh? Oh, I see. It's locked. And so, yeah, maybe in the future, you guys, I'll be able to generate these art pieces a lot faster. And can actually, you know, maybe even people might ask me to draw this stuff for them if I keep practicing. So I see it as a way to not only make it myself for myself, but also let's hope for others in the future too, and maybe earn some money doing so, right? You never know. With AI, yeah, I mean AI, and then maybe fixing it up yourself or learning how to do it yourself, stuff like that, right? When we finally get to more interesting content where I make games in for example, Haskell. I wonder if you can do a game in Haskell. Then I'll maybe do one in pixel art, and then obviously, yeah. There we go. Okay, so, and now we're just gonna turn the brightness down. There you go. And then I might just add a bit more. There we go. I think that's fine. Could be a bit more, but yeah. Yeah, and about the car, guys, he couldn't find the source of the, like my engine for the car. We got ourselves a used car this year, and the engine is making sounds, which is really bad. So I'm hoping that they can find out what it is. This isn't AI. No, this is totally not AI. If this was AI, then why would I do it myself, right? No. This is completely done by myself. And the grass is inspired by this. Because I didn't know how to draw the grass. No. This is not a single piece here is done with AI. It's all done by me, by hand. Yep. Let's go more with some highlights here, sky and shadows. We need to finish up the grass there. Some more grass here. And I suppose I get rid of the healer for now, because we're gonna move it. That means we do need some stuff on the grass. No AI, not even intelligence used. Okay. It's very funny, bro. Very funny. Okay, what I'm doing with these dots, by the way, is I'm gonna blur them and generate somewhat of a more fine-grained shadow that way. We'll see if that works. Cakes, the tangies with bodies is interesting. Just use AI. No, because people will be able to tell that it's AI. This one is obvious. Does look kind of nice though, I gotta be honest. Like if you fix up some of the pixel art, it does look nice. Hey 10x developer, how you doing, man? Good morning. Tangy TD. I like the logo. It's nice and clean. Yeah, I mean, AI is getting really good. Not gonna lie. Does it? It's weird. And, you know, in the future, you will use it as a tool. It's just gonna happen. And, like, I had a discussion with Haskaz about it. I didn't manage to properly answer him yet. But even he told me, AI will be used by weaker artists and for quick sketches. That's what's gonna happen. And he's right. You can deny it as much as you want to. It's just gonna be a tool. And I think as an indie developer, either we use the tools we have or we don't. Both work. We don't have to, but that's why they are tools, right? It's like using an editor to code and IntelliSense allowing you to understand whether something is written correctly or not before you compile the game or your program, and then the compiler will tell you if you've made a mistake or not. It's almost exactly the same thing. It just aids your workflow. The downside of using IntelliSense, by the way, what is the downside? Well, you start becoming reliant on it. You're waiting for IntelliSense to update before you continue coding. Like, how many of you guys, you code something in, then you stop, you wait for IntelliSense? Okay, good, continue. Like, how many of you do that? I guarantee you, like, all of you that use IntelliSense, you do that. Because it's just part of the workflow. That's just what we do. Yes, AI will prevent weaker artists from becoming better artists if they just rely on AI. That's correct. You're 100% correct. Definitely. Because you're not learning, and this is also what I say in the video, you're not learning to draw, you're not learning to make an art piece, you're learning how to use the AI, of course. That's what's gonna happen. Yes. Which is, by the way, why for like a year, the 4 coder days, for those of you who remember, I didn't use any IntelliSense. I was coding without IntelliSense, and there are, like, I think TCAP even to this day codes without IntelliSense. And so you just wait for the program to compile and then see what it's gonna tell you in terms of errors, right? That's possible. And the reason why that's great to do, by the way, coding without IntelliSense, is because it'll allow you to finish your thought with code and not be interrupted by errors midway through. So, for example, let's say you have a for loop in mind of what you want to do, code in your game. You can write the entire for loop till completion and all of the operations in the for loop. You have it done. Then you compile once. Boom. Either it works or it doesn't. But you have it written down. And you're not getting interrupted by IntelliSense screaming at you that something is wrong. And so it can actually be a faster way to code. But in reality, I stopped doing that because I realized that 99% of the time, or let's say 90% of the time, you need to think a lot longer than you need to type fast, if that makes sense. So instead of having to, instead of typing fast, you're thinking first at what you want to do. And that process just takes so much longer than if you were to use IntelliSense or not IntelliSense. Like at the end of the day, these two things doesn't matter. Which is also why, how many of you guys have seen the Jonathan Blow clip? Where he gets asked what his words per minute are. How many of you guys have seen that clip from him? And he just, what are your W's per minute, right? The words per minute. What the hell? Oh, I see. 69. Yeah, and he just goes to the website and holds down the W key. So background. So this is where we're gonna add some more grass here, guys. I want this to be a bit darker. I want to add a darker patch. I think it is this. No. There we go. Else per minute. Let's make a dark patch here. I like pixel art, you guys. It's very relaxing. And the cool thing is, I know it takes a lot of time, and this is the only thing that I don't like about it. The time investment. Otherwise, I just love it. It's awesome. It's great. So relaxing. And you can get so good so fast as well with pixel art. Aizen, have you like done pixel art yourself too? You remember the times when we would do pixel art piece a day? My man. Yeah, I stopped drawing the background here. This might bite me in the ass. Like I finished it here, but I stopped doing it here because the mage is in front. So I kind of just want to finish this part and move on. Just draw some leaves. Zip. Let's make some of these darker. It's another message from Collector. Great. Shall I read it, chat? Or just ignore it? What do you guys think? Ignore or read? Alright, good. I think that's good enough for the background. I hate that, you know. I hate that so much. But I guess it's because of the way I have the set up the ramps. A sprite should by default do it differently, but hey, whatever. You always have to exchange these colors. Really annoying and frustrating. Ignore it, stay in delusion. Aha. It's all good if you think doing everything manually, like refusing to use rename function even, but people like you will be left behind with your old ass antics. Yeah, like this guy completely ignored the fact that I just said that AI is gonna be a tool in the future. It already is a tool. But hey, like listen, collector of stuff is unable to listen. AI is a drunk tool. AI is a tool, my friend. Hate it or not, it is a tool, sir. And either you use the tool or not. It's up to you. Quite frankly, I don't care. And I don't even care in my own games. Like, who cares? Wait, should the road gradient be behind the... No, actually, it should not. I'm just gonna get rid of that. I use Copilot, no shame. I worked for Enterprise, which enforces it too. Hey, listen. At the end of the day, especially those that have shipped products, the most important part is what the customer thinks, not what you think. So you can think of it whatever you want. If the customer doesn't care, then it's not up to you to decide. Now, at the I'm gonna be honest though. I have great respect for anyone that is trying to avoid using AI. I really do, because it's making it easier, and you can also tell oftentimes it looks bad, for sure. right? But I also won't shame anyone for using it, because that would be dumb. Why? At the end of the day, it's a creative process, and you can still decide what to use when you generate stuff from AI. So for example, you generate a piece. You're gonna use it or not, it's your decision, so you still have artistic control. Okay, guys, so this was the most annoying part. The mage is now... Man, it does look kind of nice. Okay, I think this was a long time coming. As I respect you for your constant dedication to your work at the circus, huh? The game I'm making now is 90% coded by ChatGPT 5. It's crazy good. The main problem is it got so far that I feel like I'm losing control of my code base. That's what's gonna happen to every single code base that uses AI. And I think it's an inevitable thing that you can do basic projects with code using AI, but at some point it's not gonna understand what it wrote itself, and it'll, yeah, architecture is bad. Yeah. Everyone runs into this issue. Yep, I know. Okay, now we can actually put it on top of the background, which means we have properly separated it. Great, I like that a lot. Now the big question here, what is this? Let's get rid of the mage. Oh, the mage has blue pixels here. What the hell? Why? Why are there blue pixels? What did I do? All right. Nice. How do you justify no reacts knowing your game won't sell? By uses AI, you do you mean lets AI actually edit the files? I just chat with AI. You gotta feed it stuff and do it part by part right now, otherwise it's GG. Yeah. I use AI for small tasks that I'm too lazy to do. Ideas on how I should implement the architecture of the code base. Bro, you're asking AI on ideas on how to code, or on how to set up architecture for your code? Bro, that's asking for trouble. What are you doing? What? And how's that working for you, brah? Okay, guys, time. How do we do the mage's eyes? What do you guys think? Need to work on this now. The eyes. What type of eyes should it be? Huh? Blue eyes? I think we already have blue eyes. What about red? I found that the people who insist the most on AI can do everything are the people with the least technical knowledge. Yeah, I know. When you have more knowledge, you understand where AI's limitations are. No, it's a mage, so blue. What do you mean? It's a mage, so they should be blue? Why? Let's do blue for now. But I don't see the reasoning for it being blue, to be honest. Man, that looks weird. Totally. How about that? Is this an anime eye? Is that too small? Kawaii? Yeah. I think it is, isn't it? Wait. Oh, that looks bad. And a black pupil? I really bad with eyes, guys. Oh god. How do we draw eyes? How do you draw eyes, guys? What the hell? Am I supposed to create like some sort of iris? Something? The logo was small? How did I do this on the healer? Where's the healer? Uh-huh. Okay. Like that? Give him snake eyes? What are snake eyes? The healer should have green eyes? Yeah, we can make the eyes green on the healer. What the fuck, Cakez? Oh, what the fuck you mean, bro? Alt equals purple eyes? Yeah. Is that how that works? Really? I didn't know that. So when I turn old, do I get purple eyes too? You already have purple eyes? No, I have green eyes, bro. Did you not know that? Hey, doesn't look too bad, bro. I feel like it should be red though, guys. Don't you think it should be red? Huh? Red is for bad guys? I did not fuck anyone over, and you're banned for actually 3 days now. Piss off. I'm tired of you. Every day, man. Shut the fuck up, man. You're actually making me mad right now. What an asshole you are, man. You have become such an asshole, bro. You don't even know what happened. And you're just spouting up lies about me. Every day. And someone actually might believe that. You know what an asshole thing that is to do on a daily basis? Bro, learn some respect, please. It's tiring. Really. It's really annoying. I apologize, guys. I really do. It's just that he does not stop at all. And you guys tell me to perma-ban him, I know. Maybe I should. But it's just, yeah, it's a bit disappointing to see. For a ban? Yeah, I should have been a perma-ban, really. Okay, I feel like the eyes are flat though. It's missing something. I can't tell what it is though, because I'm not good with art enough. Without the gun sound? Yeah, it's odd. Oh, I pause notifications. You permabanned Rico for less?
Fuck Cakez.
No. And stop saying that, Bajio. Please stop, okay? Please don't engage with this even more, okay? I did not. Just always do 24-hour bans. You will get tired of this. 10 minutes, 1 hour is useless. Yeah, I mean, maybe that's a better solution for the future, yeah. Eyebrows? Hä? Oh, yeah, right. He doesn't have eyebrows. Lol. Smart. Good idea. Okay, let's make some eyebrows. I feel like they should be thick and gray. Gray eyebrows. There's a difference between trolling him about his game and skill and accusing him of something. Exactly. I did not fuck over anyone. Did not. Color would be more funny if you didn't repeat the same shit, one joke for 1 year. Yeah, it is. That's the thing. Back when it was original, it was actually different types of trolls. That was funny. Now it's the same thing every day. And Rico too. Like both of them do the same thing every day. And I'm just trying to make a game for Steam Next Fest, you know? So of course at some point it is annoying. I feel like it should be bushy, not like this. This is like a female eyebrow. It's like, it's clean. It's gotta be some... Let's put some hair on that shit. Woke eyebrow. It's not a woke eyebrow. What do you mean? Let's do that. So like, you gotta have a tremendous amount of skill to get me mad when I'm doing something as relaxing as art. You know? Maybe the eyebrows should be higher over the head and be more cheerful. The hair should be black/brown cakes. Hair. So in a way you respect Collector for having the skill? I guess, yeah. No, but in all honesty, it just has to stop at some point. Or reduced. It needs to be reduced. Because every single message. It's every message. Eyebrows. Why does an orange have hair in the first place? Hey, don't ask the questions that are important here, okay? This is a fantasy game, yeah? Black, you say. More cheerful. How about that? What the hell? What about this? Shit, it needs to be on top of the highlight too. What about this? Don't forget the teeth. What's up, you're gone? It's not a bubble. I'm gonna ban you. I'm tired of this. Please stop. I'm really tired of this. I give you a timer for an hour. Stop saying that. You know that this is not true. And goodness. Drop some vampire fangs on the bad boy. Ah, that doesn't work though. Not true that we're getting banned for being positive. I actually might turn off the stream, guys. I'm tired, to be honest. I'd rather do this art in peace. I knew this was gonna be... this is what was gonna happen. Because I can't work on this because people would do exactly that. And I'm tired of these messages. Really. Kinda need a cooldown from that. Don't read the chat. Kinda want to talk to you guys. I like streaming and I like talking to you guys, but there are some bad apples. Did you try purple? You're feeding the rage betas? Maybe I am. It's difficult to get away from that sometimes. You're right. You know, I'm trying my best not to let it affect me. And I might actually permaban on the next offense the bad actors. And then just move on. Like, maybe the rule of never perma-banning is affecting me too much. I know that other streamers just perma-ban and move on. The beard seems to stand out. Yeah, the reason why it stands out is because of the shading. The color is too visible. And there's no other way by Duel, because it doesn't stop and it's affecting me. And it's actually making me want to end stream. And so then I need to change something, because then I don't enjoy streaming. And you guys... it affects you guys too, because the mood goes down, right? Does your favorite streamer, big guy, permabans people? They all do that, yeah. I mean, Queso permabans people for jokes, yeah. They just have to make new accounts, you know. It's not a bad thing, and it's a way of dealing with toxic people. And I think that Collector of Stuff and Rico both have turned toxic, like actually toxic. Asmongold does, yeah, Asmongold does that too, yeah. But he's also, like, in Asmongold, I think it's a bit more... It's a special case, because he's talking about politics and a lot of different topics that can be very... How do you say that? Purple. Let's try purple. How do you call that? Like, a lot of people have a lot of opinion on this, right? It's also part of the fun with Asmongold, yeah. Offensive, yeah, like divisive, yeah, divisive. Yeah, being toxic every stream should grant a permaban. Yeah, it should be, and like Athano said it too. Athano has been streaming as well, and I think I'm just gonna do that. Next offense is gonna be a permaban, so I'm gonna say it now. Next offense, Rico, Collector of Stuff. I'm just gonna permaban you guys. I've made up my decision. I've given you guys so much leeway every day. I'm tired. I'll maybe unban you when the game is out, but it's bringing me down from making a game. So, no, it's not about I want to hear only positive messages. I want these two people in particular to stop. I'm just gonna say it. I want I want Rico and Collector of Stuff to stop being toxic. That's what I want. I don't want you guys to stop making fun. That's not the problem. It's these two people. Okay. You guys can still make jokes because you do it all the time. That's fine. Yeah? It's not about that. Please don't misunderstand this. It's these two people in particular. That it just doesn't stop. And I say it all the time. And at some point, you just gotta put your foot down. It is how it is, man. Joke for Cakez. I'm not on the list. Let's go. When did you okay, let's go. Okay, so you can do this. Haters gonna hate, but you're gonna elevate. My man. I appreciate it. Okay, what if we make it white, guys? I feel like that would fit much better. Look at this. And then we just outline it. In this color. Bit darker white. Yeah, wait. So for example now. Huh? Shift 2. You can always ask when goblins will get the walking. Yeah, about the walking animation of the goblins, guys. I'll try to get it for the demo. You know? I'll try. Alright. Yeah, maybe that doesn't work too well. It's not too bad. I think I'll keep that for now. And by the way... Goblin working animations right after animated water, guys. Trust. True. No, I'm also really excited to start working on the next game, you guys. Like, how many of you guys have... I know it's not many in chat, but how many of you guys have actually, like, finished the game, even uploaded it to Steam? But during the process, you've been like, man, I want to start a new game. I really want to start a new game. Next game. Like, what about your game, Firefly? Like, how is your game on Steam going? I knew you guys have been struggling with wish lists. That's the last thing I remember. Spent 7 years on my game and it's hard to stay focused sometimes. Yes. What? So long? What type of game are you making, bro? That's the time that Animal World took. That's crazy, what? Oh. What the hell? How did it take you that long? I mean, I'm the one to talk, but yeah, that's crazy. It's an open world survival. Do you have a link? Do you have a Steam page? Like, are you already selling the game? Interesting. I feel like it should be smooth here, though. Only private playtests, so not even on Steam yet. That's crazy, bro. And how do you fund this? Pretty bad. I'ma just go into the shadow and approve it while also crying to the ditch. But don't you, like, you're watching the stream a lot. You see my mistakes. Don't you have something you can do? Like for real though? Isn't there something you guys can do? Like, you're not working alone, right? I need to get rid of the highlight here. I work on it during my free time. I have a job. That's how I fund it. Yeah, smart. And also the art, I guess, right? Shit. No. Eh? There we go. I wonder if this is how it's supposed to be shaded. If this is wrong. He said it's on Steam called Lawyer. Oh, it is. Really? Damn, that's your game? 7 years? You have 9,000 wish lists, so 10,000 coming soon to early access. What engine? Does it say here? What engine are you using? Man. So you're paying someone for the art, Unity? Was this on Asmongold stream? Really, it was? I don't like this too much, but hey, it might be placeholder. I love MMOs, with minimal UI, but I'm a special case. I mean, no, wait, it's a survival game. I still don't like this. Tutorial, yeah, I see what you're doing here. It works. Don't listen to me, though. I'm an idiot. Like, I just like no UI games. But hey, that looks clean, man. The AI is... I changed the UI. I was on Pixel Pitch. Oh, great. Congratulations. Oh, my God. Wait, I love this. Bro, that looks amazing. Makes me want to explore. This one's great. Cool screenshot. Huh. Why is all of this red? I guess you want to indicate something, right? You can't craft these. I feel like I would indicate this differently because it looks so cheap. I would keep the color, maybe make it darker and put a red cross. But hey, I guess it's fine. On the Rogueblight stream? No, this wasn't on the Rogueblight stream. Or maybe we skipped past it. Could be. Looks a bit like Palworld. Yeah, indeed it does. Level 12. Do you need to show the level? Does, wait, does Valheim. Does Valheim do that too? Steam. I'm assuming you are inspired by Valheim, right? Boy, that looks better. Nothing against your game, but Valheim looks more colorful. No, they don't show the level. Do you need to show the level? You were on the same episode as Rogueblight, yes? Oh, amazing. That's cool. Valheim shows stars. Yeah, I remember seeing stars. You know why? Because I saw Quinn die to a 3-star wolf. So yeah, that's a meme in his stream. Damn, that looks amazing. How did they do that, bro? You know how like it's intense orange here and then intense, not intense, but it's blue shading here and then like very strong green. Wow. It didn't look that way on release, I know, or in early access, but wow. Oh my God. Don't listen to me. No, don't listen to me when it comes to this stuff. Because I'm a special person. When I played Witcher, I installed myself a mod to disable all the UI because I didn't want to look at the UI. Yes. Okay, we need to be careful. Wait. Can I not? Oh, I see. I can. I'm gonna add the shading in immediately. There we go. But why does Tangy TD have UI then? Because it's not an RPG game. I should have told you, I should have said, I do not like UI in RPG games. There's a reason why Gothic is one of my favorite, all-time favorite RPGs. It has the most minimal UI you can ever have. It's almost nothing. I love that. Because it makes you... It puts you in the world a lot more, which is great. It's off. Okay, here's where we're gonna use some shading. Gothic mentioned? Oh yeah, my man. My little brother doesn't think Gothic 1 Remake is gonna be good. What do you guys think? My little brother is one of, as well, one of the biggest Gothic fans. Oh, what do you guys think? Is it gonna be good? For those of you, is someone in chat actually waiting for the game? You guys don't think so? No? Why? You think it's gonna be bad? Witcher 4 is gonna be different, you know? Why? Because actually, I think Witcher 4... You guys, I think you're sleeping on the Unreal Engine train. It might not run perfectly, but I think they'll be able to make the game at least. Because so many people left. And there might be a bunch of fans that joined that have a lot of experience with Unreal Engine, you know? There we go. Shit engine Gothic remake. Guys, you need to stop looking at the Unreal Engine and calling it a shit engine. And making your mind up on, okay, so it's gonna be bad because of the engine. There was an article recently saying CD Projekt Red was struggling with development optimization. Yeah, see, like, I can see that because it's Unreal Engine, bruh. But, that being said, oh, hey, Cakez, have a good stream, mate. I went further. I'm trying to work on my... I'm trying to work from Linux, not only using C++. I'm trying to work from Linux, not only using C++. Hey, Kilga, I appreciate it. I do not understand the second part of the sentence. I always saw burned out that the current project that I don't even want to start another one. If I have the thoughts, I couldn't even finish the current one. Wait, David, so wait, you never finished a project then? Because of that? Sounds like... Really? Yeah, people that are saying... Yeah, exactly. Guys, you need to stop hating on Unreal Engine just because it's Unreal Engine. Because Unreal Engine is still good. CD Projekt Red has budget, so they have their own build of the engine, and they are basically working with Epic on streaming issues, etc. While Gothic seems to be using the base engine version, an asset from Marketplace. We can watch, like in the future, we can watch a react about how Gothic gets their assets. By the way, guys, I just noticed, apart from the highlight here, we are getting very close to being done with this image. We just finished the mage. I need the rats. Like, the rats are missing. That sucks. But we just need to do the shield on the healer. And some highlights on the healer. So this is what the guy drew. He made some more highlights here. Put more shading here. And yeah, some blue shading at the end here. Healer shadow. Yeah, we need healer shadow and highlight. Why does the healer have a shield though? Because the healer is gonna have shields. Shadows underneath, yeah, and shadows underneath the healer, yeah. And let's go with the healer then. Next. Defender. Healer, there we go. Shift N. Shadow. And let's make a group. Take that part. Yeah, guys, I've been doing this stuff, by the way. We're working on this for like... Let's look at what type of shadow he made, because he's really good with the shapes of shadows. He put the shadow here, like that. And then he made this. Yeah. So that's the shield shadow. And then he made like a sharp turn. In. Because the shield is gone, right? Let me screenshot her eyeliner. I'm going to copy it tomorrow, Limao. Wait, what? You're wearing eyeliner? Interesting. You can't be a female viewer. I don't have female viewers. This is a sausage fest, man. And then he has like some, like this. It's like banana shape almost. True, yeah, it is true. Like, it's a tech channel, you guys. It's like much like in university, you know? Like, you go to university, you study computer science, you're like, hey, cool, let me find a girlfriend. You go into the classroom or into the Vorlesungssaal in English, whatever that's called. And it's just a bunch of dudes, man. Talking about Pokemon cards and shit. And you're like, oh, God damn it, I have took the wrong fucking class. Let's leave. I feel like that is dumb, what I'm just doing. But hey, whatever. You can flip her so we can see how's the back looking like. Flip her? There was one girl in our class, yeah, true. In my class too, man. Yep. And I was never man enough to ask her out. Because I was a pussy. Yep. You know, coulda, woulda, shoulda. You never know. Right, guys? Same, yeah, same. But hey, at least I finished university first try, right? Congratulations. Didn't waste my time there, too much. I went in there, got my shit done, left. So hey, I'm proud of that, for sure. What did you finish? Computer science. Computer science. Just typical, normal computer science thing. But hey, that's what you learn from, right? You make these mistakes, you're like, ah shit, should have asked. And then you don't do them in the future anymore, guys. You know, the thing that helped me get over my fear of, apart from alcohol, but apart from alcohol, was that when you do it once, it's awkward and you're gonna suck. But the more you do it, you learn. Right? And it's not actually that bad. Even if they tell you no. Like, I've got rejected multiple times. My current wife even told me that I suck. When I met her. Like, she told us to get lost. You just get used to it. Current wife? Yeah, my wife. I have a wife. You know that, right? You should know that. Okay, what do you guys think? I think that looks okay. And now we're going to add in this at a whatever how much that is. I think it was 151. If you tried to find a girlfriend and you sucked, I don't think you found a girl. You know what I mean, mate. You know what I mean. Okay. What helped me a lot, right? Finding someone when going outside, which is, by the way, a million times easier than finding someone when you go online. Because online, they expect you to be Brad Pitt, which you're not. Okay, there's no one in chat here that's Brad Pitt. Maybe there's one person in chat that's like Coding Jesus style. Handsome, don't know. Hey, someone in chat as handsome as Coding Jesus, guys? Lolboy is, yeah, Lolboy is really handsome, yeah? Are you handsome, Lolboy? Nice. Oh, we are almost done, guys. It's not much longer. I mean, this one's gonna be a doozy. But man, we're getting there. I'm very happy. And then it's only missing the rats. And yeah, we need the outline here. Online dating is lazy people. Yes. Do you think I can get a GF by showing her my code? I don't think that's how that works, no. Are you preparing for early access? I am preparing for Steam Next Fest, which is in October, in about 4 weeks. It is the 13th of October. We have the 17th of September, and I'm preparing a capsule art and main menu screen. That's going to replace my current main menu screen. So that people get hopefully hooked in by the game. And not only in the game, but also in the browser. Here, it's going to replace this. How do you do that black blur trick? Copy, blur, paste over it again. Yeah. This blur trick here. Like, this blur trick can be used, by the way, for many different things. Watch this. Let me do the black background here. If you're wondering how you can get... Where is it? Yeah, here. If you're wondering how you can get this awesome blur effect, you just take a sprite. Let's say I have this sprite right here. You copy this, you go one layer below, then you press F9, and then you can do... Yeah, you press F9. How about this? You press F9, and then you choose a blur level, however much you want. You do OK. You can paste it again, can blur it again if you want to. Maybe create a thicker outline, but it's already really strong in terms of blur. And then what I like doing a lot with fire is I want to turn it red. So I hue shift this a little bit to the left. Let me make that a bit bigger. I hue shift this a little bit to the left to where it turns red. And then I change the handles to where it actually becomes red. Here, this is a nice red. Boom. Now you have a glowing fire. Actually very simple. Looks really cool too. And that can be used for many different things. What I do here is I create some anti-aliasing effect on the shadow of this guy and also on the shadow here, doing the same trick. I take a... where's that? Here, I take... Oops. I take this shadow. I select it. I copy this. I press F9. Blur this 3x3. Press OK and paste it over it again so that I have the actual shadow and some anti-aliasing in the middle. On the edges here. Really cool stuff. Yeah, helps a lot. Okay, so now... I kinda don't like this part of the road here. It feels a little too high because of the shadow. But we're gonna leave it as that for now. It's fine. Mod this guy. Old capsule art was better in so many ways. Better contrast. You think on Steam? This one here was better? I think it's the problem with this one is that it's too dark and that the logo is a bit small and that the colors are a little bit too saturated. But it's not bad at all. It's a good it's a really good capsule art. I'm just trying this out, and if it doesn't work as a good capsule art, I can replace it. I actually think the new one is better. This one here, I think so too. But this is subjective, right? This is art. Okay, let's make a new one here. Highlight. Alright guys, so this is where we need to do some highlighting, and we also... I want to do Shift 2, select these, and then give the healer some more shading. What did he do with the healer? The guy, the fiber guy. More shading. Oh yeah, and to... I really need to get better with motion like this. I think the new one is a lot friendlier. That's what I like about it. How are the logos? The one you have reference of? This one is definitely bigger, this logo. And the thing is, I can also crop this image a bit more so that it shows less. And then the logo is gonna be bigger. Is this entire stream going to be about this title screen? Probably, yeah. I mean, let's see how far we get, right? I need to do it now. I don't have any other option. Steam Next Fest is soon, GM. Some capsule arts add like a 1 to 2 pixel border to stand out, yeah? Really? Maybe we could do that too? He added in a lot more stuff here to make it look really juicy. And then here too. Cakez, why do you know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover, and how do you think it's this saying on relates to your game? Okay. What does that have to do with my game, bro? I don't understand. Okay. What? Ooh, he added highlights here. Smart. This guy is really smart. Okay. How's it look? I think that's a bit much, isn't it? It is. Yeah. Cakez, the art is not good to... The art is not good one to shot. You usually go away and return after a day. I'd say split the time and work on it over a few days. I've already worked on this over a few days, man. Now it's time to do something. I can't put it off any further, bruh. I need to do something now. I don't have time. It's not like the Steam Next Fest gods are gonna wait for me. That's like, oh, Cakez is not ready yet. Hold up, boys. Hey, we need to wait on Cakez. Like, it's like a bus. It's gonna start no matter what you do, bruh. Okay? So we're gonna be done in by the end of the week at minimum. I wanna be done today, though. Maybe do some finishing touches tonight when I had some time to, you know, relax away from this image. But hey, we gotta be done with this. I wanna be done with the version of the game so that people have the best version available. I wanna push leaderboards for you guys, hopefully by the end of the week, so you can play leaderboards and have fun competing against each other, you know? And hopefully you guys like it. That's what I wanna do. He added highlights here too, man. Bruh. Then return with fresh eyes. I will, but not now. My eyes are still fresh, bro. I don't understand why you need to tell me what to do, bro. We are not having issues right now. We are making good progress. I don't understand. Explain yourself, sir. Now we're gonna add this awesome highlight here. Yeah, the replay system wasn't such a good idea, but at least I tried, you know. I don't feel bad about trying it at all. You liked it? It didn't work, bro. I mean, it did work a bit, I guess. Not much, but it did work. Yeah, it did, but it didn't work perfectly. There were some issues. I wonder why he puts a shadow here. Oh, he actually did put a shadow here. Never mind, I'm stupid. But he put it up there. Why? Makes no sense. Okay, so this is the nothing on the foot. Maybe he wasn't done yet. Yeah, the only thing that I don't like about the Tangis at the moment is their shadows. they make me yuck. But I'll have to figure out how to do that better. Okay, are we done with the healer? Is that it for now? And then, of course, it's gonna be F9 here. Man, I thought the blur would be more. What? What the hell? That's nothing. Okay, so this is gonna be different then. I want this to be... Let's copy that. F9. Hard. Paste. F9. 5 by 5. 3 by 3. Okay, paste. Yeah, I mean, it does do a bit. It does light it up in here too. What about that? Copy that. F9. Paste. 9. Paste. It kinda does work, but it looks much better for him, I have to say. He did a much better job. But okay, fine. Good enough. You made me look! I am not muted! Stop! Who did it? It was Rico. Okay, you're banned. You weren't toxic, but I'm still gonna ban you for 10 minutes. Stop lying. Not muted. Good take, yes? Yes, we hear you. Your mic is on, by the way. Yeah, I know. This is what happens when he bans other chatters. Yeah, I banned one person. Actually, 2 people. I banned WhatsApp too. I like it a lot. You know what? I'm gonna select this and split it away and make it the shield highlight. There you go. And then the highlight will be the other stuff. Okay, good. I wonder how he did the other stuff. Like, did he do this? B, make a big brush? And then just make it transparent? Then just draw over this like that? Like, how did he make this shadow? This one here. So smooth. To me, it looks like he used something like Photoshop or something for this. I wonder. Okay. Healer. What if I select these 2 colors? How did you do that? Okay, let's say we have this side selected. Smooth brush. Yeah, but how do you do a smooth brush in A-Sprite? You only have the spray tool and you have the brush. And I can only select these 2 brushes or line. I never get banned here because I never push cross the limit, even though Cakez sometimes is scared to read my messages, how toxic I am. Sometimes you're toxic, I called you out before, but for the most part you're nice. Alpha compositing, copy alpha, lock alpha shading. Oh, I see, that's a shade. Never mind. Think your cam is frozen? No, I don't think it is. You brief, you banned? Okay, I finish around 40 games. I meant that if I would look for the next game, I would get problem finishing the current one. I see. Luckily, the pure amount of work ahead prevents that. It's quite old meta at this point, but not everyone is aware. Schedule 1 does a 2 in green. Smart, okay. Ah, thank you, man. We can see if we do an outline. Thank you, appreciate that. Borders, bro. Yeah, it's about borders. When you're making a capsule art for Steam, you can use borders to stand out a bit more. Thank you very much, man. I'm gonna write that down. What a nice person. Thank you, bro. Your zipper is open? I don't have a zipper on my pants, bro. These are zipperless pants. I looked? Did I look? I have pants. Outline on capsule art. We'll make that a hashtag so it sticks out. Thornity review watch again. By the way, we checkmark that one like a bad boy. Hell yeah. We can turn that into a dash again. Done! By the way, when is this link active? Watch. This is what I got sent by email. Per email. Oh, now it's preview. Aha! Now it works. Dev preview, next Fest October preview. Okay. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll look at this in the future, guys. This is the preview for developers. Cool. October 13 to 20. Yeah, that's the important part. Alright, let's make a brush. I suppose we just... I wonder how... Maybe we do a gradient? B. Shift G. Why is it only selecting this color? Or do I need to make Shift N and then do that? Uh-huh. But that's just a gradient. That sucks. I don't want that. How did he do this gradient? Like, how's this gear chat able to make these cool... It's got to be something like Krita or Photoshop that he's using. You can't do this in Sprite, I think. He used AI. It's not AI, bro! His image is not weird. It's a sketch, man. I'm a scat man. Okay, we'll do this. Got an idea. Watch this, guys. You ready? It's gonna blow your mind. Are you guys ready? Watch. Wait. You're gonna see the insane features of F9. Oh! Shit, it also puts it to the right. Wait a minute. Need to make it fully opaque first. F9. Left. 17 to the left. It's gonna look odd, but we are not done yet. Actually, it does really look odd. Give me 1 sec. It'll make sense in a second. Not top, left. And now I have to delete it? Kinda sucks, bruh. Not gonna lie. It's kinda bad. I guess it does work, but now I have to delete it. Yeah, I mean... I'll have to figure out how to somehow do shadows in pixel art, like that. Yeah. If anyone in chat knows how to do proper shadows that don't look ass, let me know. This is okay. I'm saying though it could be a bit better. I'm not impressed, let's say that. I've seen better, you know. What do you guys think on a scale of 1 to 10, this shadow right here? Squid enemy when? 6.9. 2. You can't say 2. It's not a 2, bruh. I know, just don't use pixel art. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's too late for that, though. We're too late for that. Five out of 10. The hard edge of that one shadow color makes it look weird. This one here. Yeah, how about to watch this? Got an idea. You know what we could do? And I like that a lot. I learned that trick online on YouTube. You can take the same color. You have a ramp here from left to right. And you take the same color, but you halve the opacity. And then you create some sort of anti-aliasing effect that makes the edge less rigid. That makes sense. See that? And now it's already a bit smoother. 5.10, I can back it up. I don't trust your opinion at all, bro. You know why? Because you always say negative things. You've not said a single positive thing. So I feel like you're just hating. This guy is just a hater, man. What do you guys think? And then we can do another thing. We take the same color again and we blend it again. We could blend a bit more. However, I think we're getting into too much blending at this point. Could be too much. We don't want to anti-alias too much. So we won't do that. And then we do this. Still looks bad. Ah, it still looks bad. Real one. Yeah, I don't like the shadows on these. I'll come back to this, okay? Let's ignore the shadows for now and move on. The last thing we need to do is this guy and we're done. Oh my god, it's been such a long time working on this. I'm so happy that I'm almost done with this stuff, bro. I can edit this over time, guys. Oh man, that took a long time. Bruh. That's why I like coding more. I don't know why it is. I mean, I do see visual progress with this, but man, is that a drag. Crazy. Yeah, Mr. AK Elements. See you later, bruh. You have a good day. Okay, so, the group 1. What is this? This is the healer. Now we get to the last thing, guys. Oh, the fireball glow. How's that look? Yeah, I mean, if it's not on the mountain. Oh, wow. That looks really good. The glow. What if I put... So, like, wait. Is there no thing in... Is there no such thing as... What is this? User data? Is there no such thing as making... Wait, it copied that? Alt-clicking copies. Just making it... how do you say that? Affect the layer below? And not the layer... Like just some certain layers, not all of them? Is there no such thing? Because that looks good. This glow. But it also affects the mountain. Huckley, I never said I paid money. It is, I got a sketch from a guy and the guy could not deliver on time, so I'm making it myself. What is layer 3, by the way? Oh, I see. That's what layer 3 is. I get it. Okay. Where's my heat? My ranger? Ah, here. Gradient mountain. This is how glow works. No, glow does not. affect the mountains there, does it? Claw should be top level. Yeah? Nah. Really? I don't think you have Mask and Ace Sprites. Don't think so either. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I kinda don't want to, but we have to. Fine, Ranger. We'll have to do the Ranger now. Let's begin with this thing here. We need a cool looking hat. We need a cool shape. The teapot is gone. What is a cool chat, guys? Cool chat. What is a cool hat? That? Or does that look bad? Hey, Kumar, thank you very much for following. Appreciate that, man. What if we do this? This shape here? I think that looks odd. Bandana? You guys think bandana should be it? Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm actually gonna cheat. I'll do the following. Thumbnails. Tangy defense. Base PSD. Never mind. Adjusted PSD. Archer. Would you check my edit, Cakes? What edit did you do? What edit? Glow effects. Glow affects your eyes. Stop! Okay, I cannot. Bro, why can I not get the archer? Hey! I'm getting cock-blocked by Photopia. I don't like that. Shit. I need to open this. Open with notepad. Come on, Photopia. Bandana plus red feather. Photopia has been lagging lately. I think that's why. See, like when the website lags, you can't use it because it's an online service, unfortunately. And so you can't download the application and it just runs on your computer. They had to make it online only. And it is great because it's free. But if you want all the features, you pay $5 a month. You can't buy the application. I don't like that at all. And when the server is down, you can't use it. Is it because Cloudflare died? Yeah, I think something died and that's why it's slow. Shit. Now what do I do? I still have a wait, I think. No, I don't. But it's amazing, lol, yeah. It's so bad. It's insane. Fine. Yeah, crazy, guys, how much how much goes into making a capsule, right? It's crazy. There you go. Man, but the hat doesn't look that great. Oh, it loads. Wait. It loads now. Oh, it loads. Nice. Archer. There we go. Oh, oops. Very good. So we actually have the archer finished already by Haskars. I'm just gonna cheat and take that guy. Because I've been working on this for too long, man. There you go. Oh. Even HIO has been dying for the past few days. Guys, would you like to see me code mscripten into my game? Is that something you guys would like to see? Wait, it wasn't transparent? Oh, it was. Alright, guys. That's huge! New group. Ranger. Shift N. Control V. Shift H. And scale down. There we go. We're gonna use this guy. Just gotta figure out good size. Maybe a bit bigger. There it is. There it is. Easy! Just gotta fix the pixels. What do you guys think? Huh? Is he also part of the mountain? How is he part of the mountain? He's standing on this thing that protects him. What's the brown stuff behind the archer? Yeah, we'll work on that next. So let's say this is the ranger. And then this is the wooden support. I'm gonna get rid of this part here, but we'll keep it. You never know. I DM'd you on Discord if you wanna see Cakez. Sure. Essentially, this wooden support thing is a structure that holds him in place like that. It's just gonna be some wooden support beams behind. I could, if I was fancy, I would do this. Right, I would generate like some sort of stuff right here. But if I now move that in, it might cover the castle too. So we're not doing that. We're just doing this. And move that in so that it looks like he's standing on this part right here. Behind. That's the idea. Don't show on stream. Okay. Man, what's going on? Okay. Oh, it's feedback. It's feedback. Yeah, okay, but I can't read it now. I'll read it off stream. If it's not, if I'm not supposed to show it on stream anyways, I'll just read it off stream. Wait, no, wait. Never mind. I see. Ah, it's Instagram. Okay, I'm scared that it'll show some. I need to check it outside of the screen then. It's not feedback. No, never mind. No, it was another person. No, I got DM'd feedback now, yeah. By someone else. Fine, I'll do it like this, okay? I won't show my screen. How about this? Let me see. Yeah, I was gonna open that on... it's an Instagram picture, and what now? What am I supposed to do with this Instagram picture? What? What's going on? Someone linked me something on Discord and told me not to show it on stream. It's my editing. But it's not related to my game. What you mean, you're editing? Did you draw that? Accidental nude? No. It looks good. I'm not saying it doesn't look good. I'm just not. I don't understand what I'm looking at. I closed it now. Okay. Not draw, but blended it. Alright, guys. Let's move on here. Do we keep the head red? I think the head red is better. Because it stands out more in the thumbnail. Rather than being green. So we'll keep the red. Let's work here. Get to work, brothers. Hey, I clicked this color, bruh. Man, these red shades of red are just atrociously bad. We'll get better red shapes. But first, let's get that stuff done here. You just never read, but what I say is important. You need to migrate back to OpenGL to use Emscripten. Usually even... Isn't Emscripten like a library? Exactly like... what's that called? Isn't Emscripten just a library? So I use Emscripten. I don't need to have an OpenGL backend. Emscripten is the OpenGL backend. That's how I understood this. It's a compiler. Aha. A compiler. Okay. So that means what exactly? Enlighten me. That means I compile my game and I need to use OpenGL. Yep, and then compiler changes OpenGL to WebGL. So if I don't use OpenGL, you guys are telling me that it can't compile? Is that what you're telling me? So I need to make my OpenGL renderer work again? For this to work. If I were to make my game and if I were to try to run my game in the browser. Is that correct? Then you're fucked. I don't think it's that big of an issue, to be honest with you. I don't think it'll be that big of a deal, but we'll have to see. Remains to be seen. I think it's okay. So guys, how are you enjoying the art stream today? Nick, appreciate it. Thank you very much for following. Is it relaxing? Not much coding going on, I know. You know, most of you guys like coding. Well, what do you think? Narrator, it turned out to be anything but okay. What, the stream? Surprised I wasn't already following you here. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Very nice. This one's gonna be a bit more work. Yeah, I mean, it had to be done at some point. So, better have it done today. And then hopefully be done with it. Actually done. I'll finish the entire archer. We'll need it anyways. Man, this is so many broken pixels here. Crazy. Not only the graphics stat, but also other parts of your engine. For instance, asset loading. Mscripten simulates an operating system in the browser, and if you are using DLLs, they won't work as well. Need to statically link instead. That's fine though. I can statically link my game's executable. I don't think that will be an issue. Because I'm not gonna try to do any hotcode reloading in the browser anyways, right? So that should be fine. Don't see an issue there, to be honest. You probably even used higher version of OpenGL than the Ogles 3, so you need to rewrite the shaders too. Yeah, that's good to know. Thank you guys for giving me information on that. Well, I might not be able to do it for this game then. But it's good to know for future versions for sure. It's no issue, just lots of work. Yeah, I get the idea now that it actually is a lot of work, yeah. Which is fine. We'll do it anyways in the future. And but I think it's the best way to do it in the future will be, well, we just code the game with this in mind, right? So whenever we start a new game and we want to make it run in the browser, then we'll just start with that, right? Or just use an engine? That would be too easy, man. What you talking about? Using engines in 2025? Bruh. This guy thinks it'd be that easy. Bruh. Excuse me, sorry. I mean, I'm not really sorry, but I am. Little bit. Not sure if it's worth the effort. Running into a browser, they deliberately cripple timing to prevent timing attacks. Threads are sure. We don't have threads. Plus everything runs slower, even WebAssembly. That's fine too. Even 32-bit is fine, I would assume. It's mostly an exercise for me as a game developer. I want to make sure that I have all of the options available to me to market my game in the future, which includes, of course, making web builds. Web builds on itch.io are one of the best ways to advertise your game, and so I definitely, I mean, he has really good colors for these, not gonna lie. It might be these colors. How different is this? It is a bit different. We could use these colors though. They work a bit better with shading. Source? What do you mean source? That itch.io demos are one of the best things to gain traction. You need to go back in lives. I haven't posted the YouTube videos about those reacts yet. But we have talked to people and we have seen examples of games that used itch.io successfully to convert traction from itch to Steam. And a good way to test your game is to upload a demo to itch before you upload it to Steam, to get a rough idea of what people like or don't like. One example, now I remember one example, is Pachinko from, I think it was a lazy dev. He's here sometimes. Not sure if he is here right now. He made a game on Steam. Sorry, not Steam, apologize. On itch. And it did very well there. So he decided to make a Steam page because of that. And so what you can do is you just upload a Steam version, a Steam demo. Sorry, not a Steam. An itch. You upload a version to itch. Sorry, a demo to itch. And if it does well, you make a Steam page. Durr, yeah, durr. And so I definitely want to test this out whenever I'm basically done with Steam Next Fest. I'll take a break from my game by not streaming the development, but I'll continuously work on it, of course. And so we're going to stream making smaller games. I'm going to stream making smaller games primarily for a time. And then keep developing. I'll keep develop Tangy TD in the background. And then we'll test out different things, right? Okay. What's the next game's genre? We don't know. It's gonna be a small genre first. I want to make a small game. It'll be a small game for sure. First, we're gonna make a game that we can finish really fast. And then we'll see what we do next after that. But I've done enough. I really have. And so this game is gonna stay for a while. But I need some fresh air. Sure. Nice. Kind of feel like... Looks a bit odd, doesn't it? Can't I just mirror that? No? The arrow looks a bit odd. Or is it just me? I feel like that's how it should look. I mean, it kinda... How would we do that? Godot? Yeah, we might even do a game in Godot again. We'll see. Not sure yet. It depends. I'm not a big fan of Godot, you guys know that. But hey, we have seen many examples of games that worked very well in Godot. So congratulations to these people. Just made clicker games though. So can you really call these games, huh? Ah! Of course they're games. It's a joke. Chat, it's a joke. Okay? Or is it? Is it though? Cakez did not quite understand. What do you mean? What's the difference from 2024? Nothing, it's a joke. Give me a sec. Pretty toxic, bro? What happened to your game, by the way? If I remember correctly, you were making a game too, bruh. What happened to that game? Did you stop? Buys gaming chair? I don't need a gaming chair. I mean, I have a chair. My wife even told me I should get one, but no, I have one. We don't need it. I can work. I'm happy. It's not needed at all. Yeah, that looks like shit. But hey, it is how it is. Whatever, dude. God, this looks so bad. But it looks bad here too. I think I did a better job here, even though it does look bad. I feel like what this arrow... Like, Hascast wasn't building this for pixel art. But maybe we can fix it, because I really hate the way the arrow looks. I really want it to look like that. Because it just doesn't work any other way. I hate it otherwise. I think that's fine. What you're doing right now is a waste of time. It's the reason why a game took 4 years to make. Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants, bro. Why is it a waste of time? Tell me, huh? If you're such a smart dude, why, huh? Come on, enlighten me. Mr. Oh so big game dev. Why? And since you're bringing out such a statement with such confidence, what game have you released, huh? Just a quick question. Becca, Tell me. I'm excited to hear your story. Come on, you got the mic now. What have you done? Come on, sir. We're waiting. Huh? Please refix the bandana. Bandana is fine. Hascast drew it, okay? Hascast is never wrong. What you talking about, bro? You need to understand, okay? We are talking about a piece that Hascast made. He is impossible to be wrong with his drawings, okay? If he makes the bandana red and in this shape, then that's the way the bandana is supposed to be in real life, okay? Don't you understand how that works? That's how that works. Okay, my dad needs my help, guys. Give me a second, okay? Look at this beautiful picture that we generated today. Oh, yeah. Give me a sec. People aren't going to play the game even if you add really good graphics. It's gameplay that matters. You were talking about how you wasted so much time on random stuff. Chat, someone explain this guy that to this guy that we have worked on the gameplay. We do have gameplay in the game, and now the visuals, the Steam page is not getting any clicks. So that we need, when we bring out the game to the public, they see this image first, and when they hate this image, they're not gonna click on the game. Someone explain that to him, because apparently this guy doesn't understand at all. What an idiot.
Demo out? Check. Mixed review? Check. Doesn't work on AMD? Check. Unbalanced game? Check. UI bugs? Check. Yapping all day? Check.
Compared to his shader, I'm pretty sure his one is way more complicated than mine, but we'll see.
Oh, cool. Hey! What is this with this game, man? Fuck you. That's so. Hey! No! Please stop! Oh, come on, man. This is so fucking dumb.
Oh my god! What happened? What did I do? No, I'm sorry. What the fuck is that? Microsoft Office? I didn't want to start that trash. Jesus, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. What the fuck?
Golly. Chat, did you explain it to him? Huh? Oh, Lazy Dev, how you doing?
That's actually a
code is
strategy because you have longer iframes.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Hell yeah, mother! Oh! Keep spamming your attacks! Yes, bro! Keep spamming them! Boom, boom, boom!
How much do you pay for all the assets in a game? I talked about a dude on Fiverr, sorry for bad English, to pay an artist to make a small game. Nothing, I made the art myself. But Fiverr is expensive. It's fine to use, but it is expensive. Now my dad needed help to add a credit card. To add a credit card to his bank account, like so he can use it for his work. Then he mistyped. He mistyped the ton generation. I don't know if you guys know that. Secure 10. He mistyped it 3 times. And yeah. He's gonna phone them now. Yoinked art yourself? I did not yoink any art. I made all of it myself. Hard work, my friends. Hard work. Now, sometimes I did trace, not trace, but how do you call that? I mean, hey, he was bent on typing it in. Just didn't work out so well. Self-hacked, yeah, he did. Sad. So you gotta get that shit sorted out till tomorrow and then we do it again. Yeah, my dad is self-employed too, you guys, actually. It's really cool. He is, I think I talked about this before. He is not building, but he is installing garages and doors in people's homes. That's what he's doing. And he's been building this up himself. Like from nothing. He's built the connections. He learned the skill to do it too. Really cool. What a nice job. Unlike his son, I like what I do. I'm just not there yet, which is fine. You know, it takes time in life. That's the way it is, man. So you wanna try to be an entrepreneur yourself, Cakes? No, I want to make games. It has nothing to do with... I don't like the word entrepreneur. Because it usually is used by some... It is what it is, but it usually is used... like it. For me, entrepreneur means money first. Which is not what I'm about. I'm about making a change in gaming. That's what I want to do. I want to be known to make a good game. That has nothing to do with money. That's a different thing. Okay, we're getting there. I think you read too much into the word. Yeah, I guess it could be. You're right, yeah. Sure. It's just that every time I heard that word, it was in association with just money. Money, money, money. And I'm like, yeah, okay. If this is all they care about, it's like, entrepreneur, here's how much money I earn. It's like, okay. Man, this orange is great. I like that. Man, I think I did a better job here. Money equals good product? True. You would be able to make more money, make many more games if you had lots of money, so you wouldn't need to worry about money. True, true. Yeah, that's how that works. But for me, the reason why I started making games was not so I could earn a lot of money. The reason why I started making games is because the Gothic clone was dog shit, man. And it made me so mad that I wanted to make my own. That's why. Shit, I am unable to get this bow done right. God damn it. Looks a bit odd. Feel like there's a little bit too much. I'll fix that later. It's fine. You followed their footsteps. Yeah. Like Gothic, the Gothic team spawned a new developer called Cakez. Exactly. That's what happened. Exactly. Nice way to put it. But that's exactly what happened. I need to decide on a color here. I mean, looks a bit odd, but fine. keep it like this for now. Cakez, pull on bow color change or keep. Color change of the bow is just Shift G and 2 things. It's fine. If people really hate it later, I'll change it, okay? But for now, whatever. Not going to be that important. Oh shit, no. This is the bandana. I need to make that look good. Ooh. Okay, man. That took some time. But we got the bow for now. I think comparatively to the old bow, it's an upgrade. The hand might be a bit odd, but otherwise, I'm happy. Nice. Let's move on. And we'll definitely add shadows here. Maybe not this. But we'll definitely make it feel like there is something grabbing it, right? Nice. What is the Fiverr guys drawing? Is it done already? Well, this is gonna be blurred. The mage is still looking good. For the most part, this image is almost done. Missing a couple of things. A little bit of shading. Need to be a bit more blurriness here too. But otherwise, we're almost done. The Feiner face looks strange. Yeah, it looks a bit strange. And we are missing the reds, of course. But in due time. Let's use that ramp. Oh god. That's not how that works. Yo, Dev Spudges. Thank you very much for raiding. What do you think of this image? It's not done yet. Gonna have to fine-tune this a bit more. I'll use this for my main menu. And hello Ramis. Hello. How you doing? Good morning. And it'll be also the Steam capsule later. Not exactly this. I can move the individual parts, but it'll replace my current Steam capsule. Good enough? Oh, thank you. Been working on this a lot, yeah. Pretty good, well done. Thank you. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you very much for the raid. Hope you had a good stream, man. How's your game coming along, by the way, bro? How's that going for you, man? Let's see. Dev Spudges, Stardois. Did you have a Kenshi moment yet? Any Kenshi moments yet? Oof, 44 in game. Uh-oh. What's that happening here? No Kenshi moment yet? Ooh, it's gone down. Why is that, bro? What do you think that is? Is that because it's October and everyone is outside? It's like because like that's also the reason why the Twitch views are down and like bots being banned and you're offline. Stuff like that. Like guys, September is some of the worst months for YouTube, for streaming, for everything. Major update is players and dollars. Hard work is required to keep the game alive. It's been a long time since a major update. I see. Hey, if you have a major update and the tutorial is not too long, let me know. Oh, you got some good stuff on the free weekend. That's nice. Did that bring a lot of money? The free weekend? I wonder why this doesn't track the... Why does this not track your releases? I know that you already had a big patch. 44 doesn't really doesn't matter if the game is good on sale. It did, but it was also Steam deal at the same time. Oh, I see. Congrats on that. So you got a Steam deal. Very nice. Wait, but wait, it's a free weekend, and then people played it and they bought the game because of that, and it's a deal at the same time, so it's more visibility. Okay, I get it. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Just here to chill and hang out. Yeah, we're chilling today. We've just been drawing this picture. What do you think of the mage, Mr. Rames? This one right here. It's not 100% done yet, but close. It's missing highlight on the grass. Yeah, we're currently working on the ranger. That's what we're doing. I like the mage, he's the right hand. Stage left is a bit weird. Oh, you think he should be flipped because of that? Yeah, well, that's too late now. Didn't even realize that. Yeah, too late. Hey, it is how it is, bruh. You know, you win some, you lose some. Oh, damn it, should have not asked this guy. He notices these things. The fingers are a bit weird. Oh, I drew the fingers. That's fine. Yeah. That's why they are weird. It's because I can't draw. Bro, this looks like ass. What the hell? There we go. You're good at pixel art. How did you learn it? Time. Time and many terrible results, actually. Nothing else. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, bro. I really do. Thanks for the compliment. And chat telling me that my pixel art sucks. That helped a lot too. Constant nagging and complaining about HUDs in games and stuff like that, you know. Anyone remember the HUD? Huh? Yeah. That stuff. Shit. That was bad. That looks bad. Ah, yeah, you see, like, nothing changed, eh? That looks really bad. Oof. Jabba, for a large picture like this, it could need more detail than empty parts. Yeah, it will have more detail. I'll add rats to the road too. And more stuff. I remember the castle. Tangy got punched in the eye. Or you remember... Do you guys remember this? Do I still have that? Got to be. Yep. That one here. We made that a long time ago. You guys remember that? Stardew Valley inspired, by the way. These were the bugs. I think it's mostly in A-Sprite though. Damn, that looks good. That's a good Christmas tree. Holy. Damn. Yeah, that one's been a while. Yeah, we have more. Here. This part, for example. But we had more. Damn, that looks good. The Tangy TD here. Wow. Yep. I mean, there's more. It's mostly in A-Sprite files, though. It's not stored anywhere else. Yeah. I think it's called old somewhere. I don't remember. Oh, here. Yeah. Nope. Never mind, I lied. I can't find it here, but it's cool to look at your old stuff. It's been a long time. Yeah, so how did I get better at pixel art? I just drew a lot. And you make mistakes and then you learn from others as well. There was older top left. Oh yeah. Oh, awesome. I still have this. This was my first map. Who remembers this in chat? How many of you in chat remember this map? Who remembers this? Type 1 if you do. I bet not a single maybe Aizen. Rafi, you do, yeah? That was my first map. Was this Abomination? Yeah, I've never drawn before. That was my first map. You can see the path. It's obvious, right? I do because I've been here for a long time, yeah? Yeah, Xiang, thank you very much for following. There was... Oh, here. That's my second map. And yes, these are stretched pixel art sprites. Yes. And the background, I started drawing a road here. And then I realized how much work it is. I stopped like 10% in. And I was like, hey, I gotta do a tile set. That's retarded. And you know how I placed these trees? I already had this editor back then that I have now. Like this editor here, where I can, you know, drag and drop foliage in the level and place it. I already had that back then. And so I placed these there, but I stretched them. Yeah, I can pull these up and tell them that they are objectively false. Yeah. That was my first placement slot, by the way. Yeah. Good times. Long time. Cakez megaphone, yeah. Use that on Twitch for TTS. Oh yeah, that was my first icon. Healing icon. Drawn in GIMP. Worst software ever. Yeah, but we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. In due time. I'll prepare a stream where I go over all of the different versions that I had in the game. I think this is a... I think this was a grayscale tree, so I could color them in different ways. It's gonna be a good stream. But it'll be a long time in the future. Next year, probably. Alright, continue here. Yeah, so essentially that's how, let's say, I learned pixel art. It was just a bunch of work. Ah, man, this looks so bad. It makes me mad. This is a bit better. Let's use the same orange for now. Oh god. No, B. Coffee. Wait, is Coffee Lava here? Coffee Lava is the Gimp God. Yeah, Coffee Lava is... he is, yeah. He's really good with this. That's true. It all boils down to artistic choice, of course, but would you maybe consider removing the buttless archer on the top right? I just have him here for reference for now, but I will, yes sir. Okay, don't worry about it. He will be removed, okay? Just wait a bit, okay? I'm working on it. So much easier with the other archer as a reference, to be honest. Alright, let's get stuff done here. We can add highlights and stuff later. And I'll probably have to make this black too. Like all of these lines will probably have to be actually... They do. Just noticed. Because they are black on the other units. So it should be consistent. I'll figure out the eye shape later. I think a better eye shape would be this. But that looks bad. Never mind. Okay. Yep. Or draw a proper butt. We are working on that, sir. Yes, just wait. We are on it. It'll take some time, but we'll have a proper butt, okay, you guys? Just wait. I am on the mission. It'll take some time, but it'll happen. Okay? It'll not only look good, but be amazing. Just wait. Okay? Oh man, I didn't draw the hand yet. Holy. Okay. Make the eyebrow of the closed eye go down a bit. For lower angle, he's using his muscle to close the eye. You mean like this? You mean like that? And then, like, give him, like, some sort of... I'm not sure if that's how you do that, but... Some sort of stretch like that. Huh? Now it creates an S? The Sanji? Bro, what you mean? Is that how I should do it or not? Like, it's a question! If that's not how you do it, then tell me how. This much better? Yeah? Okay, good. Then that's correct. Okay, good to know. Thank you. It is okay to me. This looks better. Yeah, I mean, that's fine then. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Oh, man, that's a lot of work, you guys. I've been drawing the entire day, man. What the hell? I need a break. Bruh. Goodness. What is the other color? this. Yeah, we'll have to see what type of shading we do there. Not sure yet. I'll keep that shading for now. On the outside here. But once we have proper shading in place, we'll decide what to do. Let's just fill this in first. Fix all of the rogue pixels. Wait, that's a terrible example. Man, they all use different colors. That it's not a single color that repeats, bro. Yeah, I'll figure out something. I get maybe that. Guess. Oh, that looks so bad. Yeah. What's pixel fucking called these days? Drawing? You know that I need to do this, right? We're not gonna get into that discussion, brother. I need to do this and preferably be done. Hey, let's hope I'm done by the end of the day today. It needs to be done. It's time to market the game. I have emails for YouTubers, but I don't have a proper thumbnail on Steam. We need that taken care of and move on. We don't have much time left for Steam Next Fest. Yeah, I mean, the colors are completely broken, but at least the pixels are getting better. That's good. The moment I have a handle on the colors, it'll be much better. Obviously, Haascast did not intend this to be a pixel art image, so that's why it looks like this. I'll just fix all of the colors to be one color, and then the rest will be done later. Bro is in full Esmozyne mode. Yeah, it has to. It just gotta get out there, bro. We gotta get it out. And it needs to be as good as possible, of course. You don't wanna put out some trash, of course. Right? So I'll get it done. It's fine. I've gotten very far already. About the colors, I'll fix them. That's fine. They'll all look consistent. That's okay. Get the shape ready, you know, then Control T, put it behind. So, you know, he's like behind the thing and he's visible enough. I still want to see the castle, right? So maybe like that, boom. And then he'll be there. That's it. But he's not 100% done yet. The hand is missing, and the arrow, the thing from the arrow, whatever that's called, you know. And yeah, the separation between these two here as well, whatever that is, should probably be this color to be consistent. I feel like this color makes this break, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Not sure. Bad placement? Okay. See, like these people in chat. Bad placement. Cakez, you're so bad. You don't know how to code. Okay, if the placement is bad, Pyrefy, where is a better placement, huh? Smart person. If you're so smart, with the placement. Where shall we do it? Where shall we put it? Huh? Enlighten me, sir. You have any ideas? Just place it better. Yeah, I was expecting that, you know.
Okay, sir. Just place it better, you know. Don't place it there. What you doing, man? You stupid? I thought you know how to make games, but you so dumb, you don't even know how to play stuff.
Relax. Just some time, idiot. Guys, are you excited? You don't even know what I mean, right? Aizen knows what I mean. Aizen knows. It can be better. Oh, it can be better. Streaming time. Oh yeah. It's a long time. Yeah, so you know, it's a long streaming time. God, I love pixel art. It's so much fun. Damn, is that fun. We did it. Boys, we did it. No, that's a bad color. That's a bad color. That's bad. Just make it darker, whatever. Put it more towards blue. Oh, we could use that color, right? Yeah, create some shading. Because the hand's grabbing it. Good stuff. I feel like it is a bit much, a bit dark, but hey. It is how it is. Cool. Nice. Is the hand in one? No, it's not. Of course it's not. Yeah, let's do that here. I kind of need to talk to my dad, guys. Because I don't have a car. We're not gonna get our car back today. Kind of an issue. You ask me. Because I need to get home. I can't get home. I'm stuck. Forever. Gonna be here forever, guys. Can't go anywhere. Just wandering. Endlessly. You know? I don't like these. They piss me off. That's better. I'm happy. We have managed to put the Ranger in, at least fix the pixels of the Ranger. Now we have a pixel art Ranger. Very happy about that. Can move him. That is it. It's not done yet. But that's... And look what we can do now with the grass. Look at the blue stuff on the grass, okay, guys? Where's that? I'm gonna copy it. Can do F9. Can do F9. Wrong side, I guess. You can't be serious. I copied it over here. Oh no. I can fix it though. I need to select all these pixels. All... Oh, no. These pixels. I made one mistake. No. God damn it. I spent so much time. Shit. I didn't copy it here. But it still works. F9. 3 by 3. Hey, it's not that bad. It sucks though. Because now I have the stupid stuff here. It's over. No. You know how much time that will take to fix? Okay, I'm not fixing that right now. Oh god, that's gonna be a great evening. I can already tell. But hey. Not 100%. Yeah, I mean, let's get rid of the ranger here. Where's the ranger? Huh? I made one mistake. Okay, one mistake, it's fine. Defender and the mage eyes look at nothing. Yes. That's correct. They don't look into stuff. They look into nothing. Game Melodic says he probably made 2 million. Or Dev Spudgers. I'm pretty sure he made a lot of money because his game is selling for like 30 bucks. Yeah. Okay, so off stream I'm gonna go and fix these pixels. Shit, man. Oh my god, what a day. I mean, I've gotten very far, but I have to leave you guys now. We are almost done. Tomorrow this will be done. I'll show you the final result tomorrow. I'll try to make it as good as possible. But we got very far. I'm very happy about the results of what we did today. No, really, really cool. Man, I'll send you over to Jackie, okay? Guys, I hope you had fun today. This was an entire art stream, actually. I did it. I didn't think I would do it, but I did it. Yeah, thank you guys for the support. And I wish you all a wonderful evening. Enjoy yourselves. Have some fun. And see you tomorrow. Peace. Bye-bye. On YouTube too.